guys, now let's take this wrap first. This is paper. Earlier they was using the polythene because of eco-friendly. Now they are going to eco-friendly, so now they are switching to papers. And it's loading. Now let's take this paper, and guys, it's asking for the language, and now let's click enter.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And it's asking for the country. We'll select our country, and spoken accessibility. Not now. Now they are asking for the Wi-Fi, so we'll connect to my Wi-Fi. It's asking for the password. Wait a minute. And guys, now I have connected my phone, and let's click on continue when it's asking for migration. We don't want, so we'll click not now. And it's asking for Apple ID. We will set up it later. Skip. It's asking for terms and conditions for macOS and hardware warranty. We click on agree. Creating the computer password and stuff. We don't want any hint, so we'll go to the next step. Click on continue. Express setup, we'll click on the customize settings, enable, click on continue, sorry, use back, express, analytics, yes, continue, enable Siri, we'll set up it later. It's asking for touch ID. We'll set up it, that one also later. We'll click on the auto mode, so it will connect it automatically, and it's asking for true tone display. If you are working on the accurate colors and those stuff, you don't want to use true tone display because it will change the colors. For this I am using as a student, so it's useful for students, so we will click on continue. It's loading now, and our new Mac is set up now. Thank you guys, that's all for this video. If you wanna watch the whole unboxing video of this MacBook, you can watch in the screen, and how to create a iCloud account also you can find my video. Thank you for watching again. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.